Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for any future notification updates. So let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. First of all, thanks for being connected with us, and if you haven't subscribed to us, please do it as we are coming up with different videos every week. So there are lots of confusion in 15,000 price segment, and over here we have another entry in this segment. So we have Realme 2 Pro in the house, which was launched just after a few months of the launch of Realme 2. So now let's quickly unbox it and see what's inside. First of all, let's get rid of this plastic first. Now, as you can see, there are few details on the box. Over here it has mentioned made in India. It has also mentioned the storage variant, which is 4 GB and 64 GB, and over at the bottom you can see different details and specification. Also the pricing of this phone is 14,990. Now let's get inside it. You can check our different videos related to the review and unboxing which are suggested above. Now the first thing inside the box has something very different. As you can see over here, it has little tiny notch kind of box, as you can see, and some branding of Realme 2 with social medias. Now as you can see, it is a box which directs us to open like this, and we have a SIM ejector tool over here, also a clear case which is quite nice. Now the companies have started giving clear case with every phone, and some documentation, as you can see. Now going further in, you can see the device over here. Now let's take it out. As you can see, we have blue ocean color which houses 4 GB plus 64 GB variant over here. Now let's put it aside and let's go further in. Going more inside, you can see a standard wall charger with a standard USB port. There is no type C port over here, so there's a little disappointment. And you can see the rating on this charger, as it has mentioned 5V 2A charger. So it's not a fast charger, but it has a 10-watt brick. Now let's see the device. So as you can see, the back is fully glass mirror. It is quite reflective, as you can see over here. Also, now let's get quick one over the device. At the top you can see a noise cancellation button. At the right you can see the power button. On the left there are volume rockers as well as a SIM card ejector tool. And let's see the SIM card ejector tool. As you can see, the SIM card ejector tool is 2+1 slot which houses 2 SIM card and 1 memory card. Now this memory card is expandable up to 256 GB. Now the bottom houses a speaker grill, a USB port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microphone. Now at the back of the device, as I have mentioned, the back is quite reflective and it is look like glass, but it is a metal body with a glass finish. Over here you can see a fingerprint sensor which is placed quite well. As you can see, it perfectly places the index finger. Also a dual camera setup which is 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel setup with AI. One camera is of primary camera and other is a telephoto lens. And over at the bottom you can see the Realme branding. Now this seems to be like a fingerprint magnet at the back at first impression. Now let's just switch on this device and see what's inside it. Now by the time we switch on the device, you can watch our other videos of tips and tricks showing above this video. Now as you can see, it has been started. It is showing Realme. So now let's just quickly finish this procedure. Now as you can see, the device has been now switched on. Now as you can see over here, the display of this device has been quite popped up from the main body, as you can see over here, and also there is some kind of protection given on this device, like it is a screen protector pre-installed on this device. So now let's see. As you can see, the main feature of this phone, it is dual display notch display. As you can see over here, it is a tiny notch, and as you can see over here, it is a tiny notch which houses 16 megapixel camera. Also above the 16 megapixel selfie camera, it houses the earpiece of the phone. Now below the notch, it has 6.3 inch TFT LCD as Full HD Plus display, which has total resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels and also has a PPI of 409. Now the company claims that it has 90% of the screen to body ratio. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery on this device is 3500 milliampere, and which is quite great as of now. Now let's just quickly go into the setting and see the software version. Now as you can see over here, it is running Android 8.1.0 Oreo out of the box. Also it has been running Color OS version 5.2, which is custom UI skin made by Oppo, which also runs in this device. Now the heart of this phone has Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor, maximum clock at 2 GHz with Adreno GPU 512. Overall, the phone design and look are quite great at the price it is available. So now there is a lots of confusion in buying the phone for 15K price segment. So we will come up with a full-fledged review of this device and we'll let you know if this is a suitable buy for you or not. So if you have liked this video, please click on the like button. Also do let us know if you want something to check us in the comment below. Thank you.